What is up, you guys? It's Glider. I'm back. We're doing another little video. Got the mic on again this time. Another little test, see how it goes. Just gonna be having a bit of fun, cruising around. You know how it is. This bit is well hard to get out of. I should probably just go for it. I'll go over after this one. But yeah, we're just chilling, listening to some music, riding around. The weather is so nice. I'm not used to speaking on the mic when I got music on, so it's gonna be kind of weird. Probably won't talk too much, just chill. To do a little review video actually of the MT07, tell you guys what I think about it. I've had an R7 as well, so I can kind of compare it to that. I'll probably do that in another video. I'm not trying to think too much at the moment. I just want to chill, ride, enjoy. You know how it is. See if we can hit a little wheelie here. Pretty good. Yeah, we're just going to be chilling, doing a couple of wheelies, get a little bit of practice in actually. I'm getting a little bit better now. I used to be pretty terrible, but I'm getting more comfortable with it. Get them a bit higher, do them for a bit longer, you know. It's a bit more fun, which is always good. Do you have an itchy nose there? See if we can get that quick. This road is usually pretty good for them, but you got to be careful, of course. It's nice and straight, slow road, it's good, but you got to give the cars a bit of space. How to do them a bit slower so I don't catch up with the car in front all the time, because that is kind of annoying, you know. Got to give yourself enough time to come back down and actually slow down before you smack in the car in front. So obviously if I got them higher I'd probably have to give it less speed and then you like less throttle, and then you could just stay up longer. But who knows? Might turn back round actually, because I don't need to go that way. It does say no entry, but fuck it. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna try something silly. Leaning the MT07 is kind of hard. It's not like the R7. R7 is much better for leaning, cruising. Well, not cruising actually, this is better for cruising, but it's just good for a lot of shit. Let's see what we can do. Guess the other option would be to switch into third gear, but let's try to get one more in. Too bad. That one was pretty sweet actually. I'm gonna go all the way around one more time, then fuck off, because otherwise people will complain, because I am being a bit silly. Putting it down. Ah, dear. Sorry, you'll probably catch me singing at random points as well, which is a bit embarrassing, but that is. Shot and then I'll stop. Nothing behind me. Pretty good. I'll take it. Alright, last one. So I think I've got the hang of leaning back a little bit more, and it kind of helps. It feels scary though when you first do it, but I'm actually getting to the point where I can't actually see over the bars, which obviously means I'm either A, getting it higher, or B, leaning back a bit more. So to me that sounds like a step in the right direction. They also stay up a decent amount longer than when I first started, I'm pretty sure. These traffic lights are annoying, man.
You are now listening to Young Chicks.
Gets proper busy. Be waiting there for a while. It's hot. So hot. It's like 26 degrees today, Celsius, which, yeah, it's kind of hot. It's gonna get worse though. It's alright when you're riding, it feels real nice when you're riding, but when you're stuck at a light, it's bloody awful. There we go. Got a good bit of road here. Let's give it a test. One more. That was good, bro. That was proper good. Damn. I'm happy with that. Felt well nice. So yeah, this is literally like a little chill video, you know. Do a bit of wheelie practice, as I say. Cruise around, have some fun with the nice weather and that. I'm praying that you can't hear the music, because otherwise it's going to spoil this video and I'm going to have to put it in mute, and that won't be fun at all. I feel like there's a pretty high chance you can hear it though, so I'm going to get flagged like crazy for copyright and shit like that. We'll see. Just gonna pull it in over here, chill for a bit, grab a drink. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. This is literally a proper short video, but just cruising, having some fun on the MT07. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know, let me do some more videos like this. Nice one.